Alright, where is it? There it is. We're going to be checking out the Mint Car Wash here per user request. I'm sorry I forgot your name. Here in Dallas. Yep, more ProtoVest drivers and also it's a couple Sonnies. Oh, this might be the one that has the pay stations where it doesn't accept cash, but I guess we'll find out. 7, 10, 15, and 17. And okay, it does take cash.
Please make a selection. Please select what type of wash you would like.
Oh, there's a 20? Well, I can do it.
Please select any additional upgrades and please insert cash or card to make payment.
ProtoVest man, I'm gonna change my nickname once I get back to that in the Discord server. To ProtoVest man. I don't need to see. Okay, it says $20 wash. Ooh, pretty tight turn on this conveyor. Yeah, this is all Sonny's. I'll do the in-bay washes, yeah, after this tunnel. Yeah, another Sonny's. I don't know if I find them boring because they are everywhere around here. But I didn't think I'd film so many ABW tunnels. This is getting sprayed on the mirror. I already filmed the one other Sonny's tunnel today, so are those Bellinger reps? Actually, I think those are Bellinger reps. They don't look like Sonny's. I have no idea what that is. Actually, those kind of do look like Bellinger reps, but I'm not sure. It's got the styrofoam on it. They're not making great contact with the car. But actually, I don't know. They're spinning slow. Or they old MacNeil, because they have the styrofoam stuff on it. Ready for another dry startup. Here we go. Fix one mirror. See if this one will fix my other one. And just roll right on out of here. Okay. Probably only to fix my driver's side mirror. Alright, now onto the in-bay washes. Which I'll probably park first to resituate cameras, but anyways, I think I can left turn out of here. Back to Midway, turn right. Oh yeah, where's car coming? Midway and then south, and I'm gonna go under actually that toll tunnel under Addison Airport, so that'll be cool. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it for this one.